Hello, today is August 27th, 2020. Make sure that you click here to take attendance. Our goal today is students will place real numbers from least to greatest, students will convert decimals to fractions, students will convert fractions to decimals, and students will estimate irrational numbers to the nearest whole number. So today's video will be posted here. Today's joke is it feels like 90 degrees out here. And then the circle says it feels like it's 360 degrees to me. And then success comes when opportunity meets preparation. As you guys are preparing to do these assignments and stuff, some of you are watching the videos and being successful. Some of you are not watching the videos and being unsuccessful. So good job. Keep watching the videos. You'll click here to take today's assignment. Let's take a quick look at today's video lesson.
Well, today the first type of problem we're going to take a look at is how to write a repeating decimal as a fraction. You'll notice that this has 1.2323 repeating. So the 1 is just going to stay 1. The only thing that we got to really do is convert the 2323 repeating as a decimal. So you're going to go to your decimal calculator, you're going to type in 0.2323. You'll notice how it has a fraction sign there. Don't stop there. Keep typing in and see how it disappeared. When it comes back, that's when you know you've done it as a repeating decimal. So it's 23 over 99. Go back to your Canvas page, you put 23 over 99. So the only part that really has to repeat is the decimal part. So the 1 is just going to stay 1. The second type of problem we're going to look at is how to estimate a square root to the nearest whole number. So on this, you would do this. You want to find the square root above and below so that you can figure out which one is closest to. So the one above or the one below is square root of 64. The one above is the square root of 81. You can always go back and use that chart, or you can Google square root charts, and it'll pop up. So 77 is closer to the square root of 81. Well, the square root of 81 is 9. So that is going to be our estimated whole number. The third type of problem we're going to look at is this. Estimate 2 plus the square root of 15. You got to estimate the square root of 15 first. So you're going to go square root of 9, square root of 16 is what it falls between. It's closer to the square root of 16. So we're going to estimate this as 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. And that would be your estimated answer. The fourth type of problem we're going to look at is placing the following numbers in order from least to greatest. And so you're going to use Desmos. You're going to type in each one. So the first one was 8 divided by 3. It tells you 2.666. Well, I went ahead and adjusted these so that we didn't have to waste a lot of time on this. And then you're going to place them in order. Remember that negative numbers, the bigger the number, the smaller they are. So negative 4 is the biggest. Second would be negative 1.5. Now we're going to look at the positive numbers. Looks like 2.7 is the smallest. And then it looks like 3.14 or pi is next. And then 3.4. And then the number 4. And you go back through and you type these out just like they were written originally. So negative 4 was first. Second was negative 3/2. Third was 8 over 3. Fourth was pi. Fifth was 3.14 or 3.4. And then sixth was the number 4. That's going to be your answer there. Take your time on these problems. It's not very hard, it's just time consuming. The fifth type of problem that we're going to look at is to determine whether or not a number is rational or irrational. If it's got pi in it, you're guaranteed that it is going to be irrational. So another thing that you're also guaranteed to be irrational is see how there's no pattern that you can determine there? The guarantees a number is irrational. If you can write it as a fraction, it guarantees it is rational. So negative 5 over 1 guarantees it is rational. 2/3 rational. If I can write it as a fraction, it is rational. Again, 1, 2, 3, I can write it as a fraction, just put it over 1, rational. So, and then the next, let's see, do we have any other types of problems that we're going to go over? That covers everything that we're going to do for today's assignment. Hope that you're having a good day.